Okay, we start with disassembling the carburetor and see what's going on inside. That's not look very good. It's supposed to have a nozzle right here. It's missing. I think it's supposed to be a nozzle here. I'm not sure what they done here. Solex. Okay. Let's open the diaphragm and see what's going on inside. Well, it doesn't seem that the diaphragm is turned or anything, but it's very dirty, and we can see that all this gunk got inside the intake. And that's not a very good sign. Also, we got the pilot jet. Okay. I will blow air inside and see if there is a small ball inside. I want to see if it's moving. I think it is. Okay. Now I will remove the other nozzles so I can clean it. This doesn't look very good, although it's not clogged. The cat is interrupting me. It doesn't seem like the right one. To see what's inside here. We got here another nozzle. Okay. I want to take off the float as well. The float is closing the gate for any fuel to come in whenever the tank is full. That's how it's supposed to work. It seems that it worked fine, but it needs to be cleaned. I think the only way to take off the float is only with removing this locking pin. Okay. Shh. And I have to do it in order to replace this gasket. Die. Okay, I have this inflating needle for balls. Just got out. Okay, seems alright. Okay, that's it. Now we can clean everything.